The propane tank is not for the steam action unit. It's for my heater after this job. I have a My Buddy propane heater in there to make sure nothing freezes. But let me take you on a tour so you can see how we're doing this. So there's my inline filter. And there are my hoses. If you don't mind, join me for this nice little walk so you can see how Steam Action is performing and why you want to contact me so you can get you one today. So we're in Cambria. They make granite countertops. So if you want a countertop, you know to call Cambria. And we're doing some hallways here. So we got our CRB to scrub them up a little bit. And then we got Robert here. And he's doing what the Steam Action do. Now you guys want to bring a portable in here? You can. You could be here for 3 or 4 hours doing all these offices and all these hallways. Or you can be here an hour and a half like me and Robert and get it done with a Steam Action truck now. I'm not saying you can't do it, but I'm asking why would you want to? Stop being cheap. Go ahead and finance you one of these machines. Let me get you a bundle package where we get you some marketing involved so you can go to work. You can hit the ground running. Boy, look at that steam. Look at Steam Action. Now Johnny Johnson should be getting his installed today. Johnny, you wanted to see steam? You saw that steam, didn't you? Let me get a close-up. You see that steam, right, Johnny? There you go. Look how it's cleaning this commercial-grade carpet right up. You wouldn't believe Robert's only been here 3 weeks, right? Well, Robert, make sure, just like you're doing, you keep your wand stroke straight, because we got some real anal retentive guys watching this. And they're like, well, why is your guy not keeping the thing straight? And my question back to them is, why are you at home instead of working where you're watching this instead of watching this in the evening? Well, that's a different story. We'll help you get some work. Go ahead, Robert. Keep doing what you're doing, man. You're doing great. Oh, right there. That's called the CRB. This is a counter-rotating brush machine.
Okay.
It has 2 brushes underneath.
Oh.
And see right here, where you had said the boss was complaining about some dirty areas. Right, so we hit this button right here. And it scrubs the counter-rotating brushes. CRB. So he sprayed it with the pre-spray. We let it dwell. Look at that. Now when he comes back over with the hot steam, that should do it. That's it.
Eliminates the debris. I see.
So hopefully when the boss see it this time, she'll call us back. Well, she know we'll come back if she had a problem.
Yeah, well, she wants a long-term contract with you.
We want her too. All right, Carpet Cleaning World. We're going to let Robert do what he do. I just wanted to show you how Steam Action can go a long way. Hey, Jason. Boy, I can't wait till I get you in the truck mount. Oh, man. That's going to be the day. I got your nice 3030 waiting for you, Jason. You're going to leave that CRB, VLM stuff alone, and we're going to get you making some real money. Some real money. So, we're in our commercial building today. Cambria, they make countertops, granite countertops. Real good stuff. They've been using us for a couple years now. And we're just cleaning them up, getting them ready for the springtime. Guys, Janae and I are going live tonight to show you how to get commercial contracts. Man, we got so many things that we have in the fire for you guys. You guys want to make sure you watch every podcast, every video, learn all you can in the carpet cleaning world. So that way you can make your decision which way you want to go. Do you want to stay at a portable? Do you want to move up to VLM? Do you want to graduate finally up to a truck mount? Not just any truck mount, a steam action truck mount. Let me know. See you in the next one. Steam action, boy. Hey, Johnny, I'm going to call you. Make sure you got yours installed and everything's good. You guys take care now.